ligwe ina ya dilmono. Kakalika yeso ina ya sauma wanepe. Boy ligwe ina ya dilmono. Kakalika yeso ina ya sauma wanepe. Gano dende, blasta so dende. 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 Yeita mubi obaba na bate the samia. Ya chaja mubi obaba na bate the samia. Yeita mubi obaba na bate the samia. Ya chaja. I bet the bill in the money, I need Jan in the money. I say, go fin the money, I say, move Jan in the money. Winter in the money, and Stevie Nappy and the money. Robert MENSAH, goalkeeper number one. The boy, a beshe, Yensulo Biala. 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 Yeita mubi obaba na bate the samia. Ya chaja mubi obaba na bate the samia. Yeita mubi obaba na bate the samia. Ya chaja. I bet the bill in the money, I need Jan in the money. I say, go fin the money, I say, move Jan in the money. Winter in the money, Stevie Nappy and the money. Robert MENSAH, goalkeeper number one. The boy, a beshe, Yensulo Biala. 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 Yeita mubi obaba na bate the samia. Ya chaja mubi obaba na bate the samia. Mubi obaba yeita mubi obaba. Mubi obaba ya chaja mubi obaba na bate the samia. Mubi obaba yeita mubi obaba so bate the samia. Mubi obaba ya chaja.
Xtra, live on Coastal TV, your world of endless possibilities. My name again is Gabby, and we are here to talk about football. It's all football, a dose of football. Yes, we know that the biggest competition that is going on in the world right now is the FIFA World Cup 2026. Yes, going on in the USA, you know, co-hosted by Canada and Mexico. Yes, I'm here with my guest, Bright KAKRABA, also here. We were discussing all the games that went on yesterday, including the Ghana match against England. Yes, that took place in Boston, in the USA. Bright KAKRABA. Yes. And there's a Ghana for either a GNE and GNEB.
Oh, and that. I want you when I want to football and mostly obey Messiah. But guys now watch a born our born I think the majority were doing, of course, draw against England, it's a victory for us.
Yes, yes. So we'll be diving into the games, yes, from yesterday. I think there are a lot of games. There were 4 games that went on, including the one at dawn this morning. So we will take the results of yesterday's World Cup games. I think we'll start with Portugal against Uzbekistan. That was 5-0 for Portugal. The person we were expecting to come to the party, the big hitter, you know, arguably the GOAT, the greatest of all time, Cristiano Ronaldo, scoring 2 goals, yes, for Portugal. I think you'll be seeing the results on your screen, the Football Xtra, you know, design on your screen, showing the results from yesterday's games. Yes, that's where you have it. You know, Portugal winning 5 goals to 0 England and Ghana 0-0. Croatia, also in Ghana's group, beating Panama by 1-0, and Colombia beating DR Congo, the DRC, yes, by 1-0 at this dawn or this morning. They beat them this morning, yes. Let's start with Portugal match. Ghana says we will have time to dissect and bisect. We will take you through all the games, but the Ghana one we will dissect that match. And yes, and some baby about Ghana match, no. But then we just start with Portugal versus Uzbekistan. Goal scorers, like I said, Cristiano Ronaldo scoring 2 goals, Nuno Mendes adding another one, and then an own goal from Kusanov of Manchester City, and then Rafael Leao coming to add a 5th. I think, right?
Yeah.
Portugal 5, Uzbekistan 0. Yes.
Yeah, or a good game
Yes.
for Portugal.
Yes.
And
They needed the win.
And yeah, Portugal needed this win. And not only that, they needed this win. Portugal have to win this game. It's a clear win for Portugal, and there's no way Portugal can afford to lose this game. And I think the first match, we'll lose. And
First match, Obojo, yes, against DR Congo, yes.
And the kind of pressure and all the team, and especially Messi fans, will soak them Portugal.
Yeah.
And Cristiano Ronaldo, then it was very high. And I think Ronaldo, your player, pressure to me fan them. From me, my main Ronaldo, Ronaldo, your player, pressure to me fan them. The more you put pressure on him, and or put you wrong. And I think this is just the beginning. Yeah, Ronaldo, why am I watching them?
Yeah,
Ronaldo.
I think Ancelotti said it best. A more dangerous player than Ronaldo is a Ronaldo who hasn't scored in the previous game.
That's a fact. And if some Zokwecha 2016-17 Champions League season, Cristiano Ronaldo during the group stages, and I watched 2 goals per. And Cristiano Ronaldo obey golden boot of the tournament, which is knockout stages. He scored 10 goals.
I think this game goals now Ronaldo sharing, I think it meant more to him than ever.
Yeah.
Yes, we extra celebration now. Teammates
yeah.
Charlie, I think after the first game I think no
pressure here.
Obiara ashe, Hurricane ashe, Mbappe ashe, Messi ashe, Haaland ashe. Obiara literally Konimo.
Yes.
I call him Konimo.
Yeah.
Yes. We expect them also.
That is when Ronaldo the greatness or appear.
Yeah.
I'm not telling Ronaldo now someone. You put him on the spot and he will deliver.
Yes, that is Nuno Mendes' goal. Yeah, the free kick. I think free kick no Bia feel Ronaldo bubble.
Yeah. I'm a point of Ronaldo no bubble cause me na me pedal Ronaldo bo hat trick this game. But unfortunately, but 2 goals in the okay. Ronaldo, I think
as a start, yeah.
Yeah. I think that's and they ask him WhatsApp status. WhatsApp status. Mo positive be there. Nothing is too late for the good Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yes.
He has done it before. And Obutumo the one knockout stage game, but the golden boot of the tournament. True. Cristiano Ronaldo,
one of the very arguably the best player in the world. Yes. Another game that went on was Croatia and Panama. I said the Ghana game they ever cost Croatia and Panama. Croatia also in our group. Panama, I think Panama had a good game. But then just that they lacked the cutting edge. Aka finished they weren't clinical.
Yeah.
One players maybe Charlie chances are winning now or Obutugu,
I think this game, two mark in there. Panama, or they will work on one finishing more. Because I think against Ghana, they played really well.
Yes.
Finishing to kill the game.
Yes.
2-1 finish. And against Croatia. So I think the ball game in the part they really performed well, but finishing. So I think they need to work on that. So,
yes.
The Croatia game, I don't think though a game of Croatia win or a surprise.
Yeah.
Because Croatia Panama, a game Croatia win or yes,
Croatia getting their first 3 points in the group. Yes, after losing to England by 4-2. The goal was from Ante Bademir. Yes, the player of Osasuna. Yes, very well taken goal. Yes, I think Croatia fans also the Croatians probably expected more goals from their team, but Panama wasn't easy like that. Even Ghana cry Bray and Sana last minute go against Panama. Panama could have even scored us. Still cry. I think going forward, I think our next game, let's take it from the Croatian perspective. Against Ghana, there are some things they are supposed to change in this game that we saw that and Ghana should take notice of.
Croatia, I think there's a Baba Ghana game now, so I think they like Colombia DR Congo.
Okay. The only goal in the Croatia match by Ante Bademir of Osasuna. Another game that went on, that was dawn. This dawn was Colombia versus DR Congo. From an African perspective, DRC first game against Portugal, drawing, getting 1 point, and then losing their second game against Colombia. I think it was also a dicey game. Also game, Congo had opportunities, but they couldn't take them. Goal from Daniel Munoz of Crystal Palace. Match,
I think that so far, started World Cup, a game a while ago, Colombia, DR Congo game. Because looking at the draw against Portugal, I expected more than Colombia would DR Congo, or to qualify from the group stages. But what things are going, how things are now going, 1 point, and they have no goal, I think.
Yes, 0 goals.
And
then -1.
-1 goal, and it will be hard for them to qualify from group stages. And why am I here? Because DR Congo, they are playing really good. They play really good, and
yes, I think in the group, Colombia leads the group by 6 points and 3 goals, and then Portugal right behind them with 4 points and 5 goals in that group. DR Congo with 1 point, -1 goal, and then Uzbekistan also at the bottom of the table with 0 points, -7 goals. Yes, it was an event. I'll say that DR Congo, I think being through the qualifiers to the competition, meeting the likes of Nigeria and I think is it Cameroon? Yes, it wasn't easy for them. It wasn't really easy for them.
Playoff before coming to the World Cup.
Yes, they even had a playoff with an Asian team before coming. So it was a very tough game for DR Congo. I think the likes of Luis Diaz and the rest played a role. Charlie, who are quality players are, that would help you push you. I think the likes of Luis Diaz and this guy Jefferson Lemma of Bournemouth, Arias and co didn't allow DR Congo to gain anything from the game. Yes. Oh,
very sad. Very sad.
Very, very sad. From the African perspective, I think CCR, DR Congo soon as CCR, and also, what you see on your screens is Lumumba Mia of DR Congo, the fan that stands stands till the whole 90 minutes. Yes, he had issues with his visa before coming. He missed the first game against Portugal, but was able to be available for the second game against Colombia. As you see on your screens. I think this is all part of the fanfare that makes the World Cup a great competition.
But I think the one last group stage game, Watum was secure arena. Watum.
I think one last game would be who are they playing next? Who will they be playing? I think they will be playing Uzbekistan. DR Congo will be playing Uzbekistan, and so I'm hoping that at least they already have 1 point. It is a win Uzbekistan game now, they will have 4 points. Now 4 points, no, Ubutuma name as the third best.
Yeah.
I think out of the 12 groups, no,
Yeah.
third best for no, they are picking 8. And see, I think they will have a chance to
4
qualify.
points Butuma enter.
4 points can enter.
Yeah.
Yes. 4
Definitely,
points can
4 points
enter.
can enter.
Yes. Now, to the one that we are all waiting for.
Yeah.
That is Ghana, or let's say England versus Ghana. Yes, England versus Ghana. The biggest game yesterday in the face of Ghanaians. Yes, it was a great game. It was a great game in terms of tactics and guile and hard grit and hard work. We'll start by our young pick just as Sammy, then we'll dive into the details.
Okay.
Game, no. Before the game, we took thoughts of people, and then people weren't confident because of against Panama. Boy, no. Young game, young ball crab. But I think people felt like we were lucky. You know, one lucky goal be, and is winning against Panama, and so people weren't confident going into this game. But I think we showed something. Yes, we showed something at least. Yeah, we held on till the last minute. No, until it shows discipline and determination. There, you holding on. Go against Panama. Now this to the England game. Right.
Yeah, it's England game, you know. England against Ghana. First credits as a Ghanaian. First credit, Mazima coach, you know. Carlos Queiroz.
Yeah.
But the first credit, Madam. Line up in the bear, no. Musha
I
line
think
up.
we have the lineup.
Yeah.
Let's talk.
Musha line up, no, for the first time. I must say, wow.
Wow.
This is indeed a coach.
Yeah.
Cause say STD analysis, baby. I'm a catcher there. Kwesi Sibu, the type of football or you defend. You engineer front of the defense. You protect the ball from entering our 18 box. And see me, I mean, most suspicion. And me, I'm there. Kwesi Sibu no game man.
Yeah.
And line up in the bed.
Yeah. The returning Thomas Partey also played a huge role.
A huge role in the game.
Yes. I think Thomas Partey. Yes, we have the lineup on your screen your screens right now. We started in pool was Benjamin Asari, Opoku, Jerome Opoku, Jonas Ajete, Marvin Senea, Gideon Mensah, Kwesi Sibo as the base, Thomas Partey, Caleb Yuenchi, Inaki Williams, Jordan Ayew, and Antoine Semenyo. And see, that was the lineup we took to the game.
This is the best lineup, to be frank.
Yeah.
This is the best lineup.
I think let's pick it from our side. The man in goal, Benjamin Asari. What a super performance! 3 saves, crucial saves. Yes.
Yeah, 3 crucial saves. Like Benjamin Asari say, Asha the national since on your national team call up. Say stayed in the game. Majority.
Even qualifiers, I think 6 clean sheets from 7 games. Yeah.
Majority. Akade or a Gracie Bine or ye then. Or the poor mobile some banner to be brain, but under that you could see the kind of boss of a banner.
I think he was some calmness in the back.
Yeah, and confidence no Okita Asari no. I think they or move it to any European team or to match.
Oh, simple.
I think the why very determined or the like us in interviews baby or can or in Ejima and see any time I will put in on the sport TBR, you put in his best.
Yeah.
And then that you can see. Say English
in that save no year against Bukayo Saka. Wow. Save. What a save.
Yeah. Oboard them born me I thought they were shit. Until they or to me or save born one. Benjamin Asari performed really good.
Yeah. Another from the back line, I think centre back pair no. Jerome Opoku and Jonas Ajeti. Wow.
Jonas Ajeti and the number catcher most squad be. Jonas Ajeti like we impress him much.
Yes.
Going to the World Cup, you know, he's one of those players I think trust one.
Players now, I think before the World Cup, being friendly now or consequence penalties.
Penalty. You can see the Jonas Ajeti with Siaza.
Wow.
And Proud to this World Cup, our friendly games, qualifies, you can see the Obataka Boa show Nensa. To board to Banansa at any time.
But
and World Cup,
yes,
you can see
this tournament,
show professionalism. You can see the Jonas Sajeti. We see as a pine Jerome Poku. I think the one of way Ivory Coast to one legend, Yaya Tui, the interview be or Kabi be the time of Barcelona. No. The white people, another Spanish for Mason or in yesterday. When it's come to footworks, born the way but you can them. So you to use your strengths.
Yeah.
Also black, and I think that strategy in Ghana you see and that. Because Jude Bellingham, Declan Rice, Hurricane, like footworks, born the way head to head, you can them. And the Jerome Poku, if say steady, no strength no.
Yeah.
No use of strength in the behind.
I
Bema.
Oh, like wow.
And the most strategy no boy na kasa you use strength and you can see Kwesi Sibo so jinawa with the Bema kasa.
And I think called to the fullbacks Marvin Semeya and Gideon Mensah. I think Semeya no Masa.
Yeah.
I was surprised. I was very surprised.
I mean, the part and I'm surprised by Gideon Mensah because Gideon Mensah on uniform, Boko World Cup, Gideon Mensah uniform, he's safe. The friendly matches now was a ball fun with the beer, banded that Gideon Mensah.
Wow.
Performance, Gideon Mensah.
Gideon Mensah had to go up against Noni Madueke of Arsenal. Shutting it down.
And
later, Bukayo Saka Subena. And
you can see the time of Bukayo Saka Muobemano. Gideon Mensah will run the length of the pitch.
Yes, up and down like, on that flank.
And still,
on the left flank, yeah.
Still, they manage to like maintain them.
Yeah.
On a Senenya,
I have some stats for you. Senenya.
That's the man of the match.
Wow.
Senenya.
Marvin Senenya. Wow. I think 78% ground duels won. That is 7 out of 9, 6 tackles, 2 interceptions, 1 clearance, and then 1 recovery. Wow.
Amazing performance.
Facing £80 million Anthony Gordon. Shut him down. Facing Marcus Rashford. Shut him down. Later pose Thomas Tuchel Noni Madueke right side no. Still no one for the boy was solid. Solid, very solid. Marvin.
Proud to first half, and again, on the new ratings, so also.
Yeah.
That's a bobo or boy pony young. Come here, sure.
I think right side is no one for. Wow. Yes, Marvin Senaya. That is him on your screens. Wow, what a player! Wow. If you I think pivot no.
Kwesi Sibo. Ask Mama Kano, Kwesi Sibo. I surprised me a lot. And I am surprised. Me, I know the Kwesi Sibo when it comes to this kind of boss. Possessive in a and Kwesi Sibo problem. But when it comes to a traditional defensive midfielder, able to support our defenders. Engineer defenders name may a bomb cross. You can see the end of the Jude Bellingham, then ball Jude Bellingham on your bobono on Tumumbo. Yeah, and we change it to Bellingham.
I think all the players go, but I think our midfield, Kwesi Sibo, Thomas Partey, Calibre. I think Thomas Partey in particular had a very man-marking job. Woman is Juma be the one or Jude Nekin. I think Kwesi Sibo and
Kwesi Sibo and Jude.
Yes,
Kwesi Sibo and
Partey were supposed to work on Jude and then Kane because Kane on Jeff Akor. Obechi pick a ball to never pass, and so I think the midfield did very well.
Yeah, and Thomas Partey, you can see the professionalism.
Yes.
Amazing performance.
We would speak about an incident that happened before kickoff, but then Thomas Partey had a great game. Yes. Another player we should talk about is Semenyo.
Antoine Semenyo.
Yeah, Semenyo. Wow. I think I'm missing. Even though he's an attacker, he was disciplined. In that match, a big match. We can't all out and
yeah.
And so coaching and while drafting the plan there, Charlie, yeah, let's do this. Let's sit back. Let's hold on because and with the 1,000 years now there as a
and I'm a credit be bring me coach no. And minimum be on your boys in the before the game. Antoine Semenyo, James, or
yes.
Chelsea James.
Yes, Miss James.
After the game, when I guarantee interview or Kabby be there. I Semenyo, I know about Bobby, but ended the performance no. Oh, African spirits. No, Semenyo. If say a shit Semenya, and they don't know use no strength anymore.
Yeah, there was a ball here in a Jane and I think first corner. No. Yes, Semenyo against James. Or wanted to be the chance to train the next incoming player.
Yeah.
Just like Okunya corner. No.
Yeah, that's the African football.
Yeah.
Say I try the by you nationality na na by you here strength na e for business strength. I tell you it won't work. Nti ended up minimum be on one can say before the game but boys no African football
yeah. The togetherness was there, the unity was there.
You can see this
in Akine because I think that position it wasn't his favorite position on the right wing.
And I think in Akine problem ended a plan a use game and you call into the game to play like defensive role.
Yeah.
Now you have counter.
There was one chance it was offside. I think Ajeti small long ball being all year round from right side, but then he was offside. Unfortunately.
Okay, was offside. And the counter was in a bonus. So most of the times.
I think my MCR people want us to talk about some decisions that went against Ghana. Yes, what you have on your screen right now is the incident, penalty incident. Now, referee no one question VAR umpono wanje. Say I want jumpa. VAR for no either work out and be chair referee no question one question.
Yeah.
Yes, this is a big issue. I think in the first game against Panama, so Jerome Opoku with Tianenando the heel of his leg and I one can't but this game I think it was there to see clear say it was a penalty.
And for this one me blame me.
This is also another incident. We will come to this, but then the penalty is what we want to focus on. Yeah.
Me blame Black Stars and the captain na the boys no.
They are too nice. They are too nice.
Yeah, because you can see England first game no. Hurricane or say penalty no immediately. No, what share referee no do. The keeper or moving from the line before the penalty. We should have also moved to the referee. They are forcing it toward the VAR, but incidents in the scene no. And you react fast until you feel that you're not playing or I can say a ball on the team. Yeah.
And also I think on the part of the players, so other to form. You should at touch now because what would you have the ability to carry on now. They would go against you.
But as for this ball, I think it or a penalty if so or VAR. Okay, every referee. Or by the penalty, I'm a Black Star. Yeah. But our problem is that you approach referee. You feel that you're playing a walk or say a ball.
That was Prince Edu. Yeah. Prince Edu, yes, being tackled by Ezri Konsa of Aston Villa. I think on this incident, I think our coach Carlos Krios had something to say. I think we will take his voice on it, talking about VAR, having a coffee, not minding the incident and not even calling the referee to go and take a look at this incident. Coach Carlos Krios, he said something very interesting about the decision that was taken by the Honduran referee, Martinez. Yes, I think we'll go and take that and then we'll come back and continue with the discussion on the game.
I'm not sure. VAR is still working in the World Cup. We still have VAR. Is working. I have some doubts about that because another penalty that they need give to Ghana, clear penalty. VAR went for a coffee and it's natural. I would like them also take my coffees once in a while, but it was a clear penalty. Clear penalty, red card. You have any doubts about that? You guys that you saw the game have any doubts about that, or is only me that I was in the game? Sorry for my sarcasm, but if I say this kind of thing serious, they punish me. I'm not sure. VAR is still working in the World Cup. We still have VAR. Is working. I have some doubts about that because another penalty that they need give to Ghana, clear penalty. VAR went for a coffee, and it's natural. I would like them also take my coffees once in a while, but it was a clear penalty, red card. You have any doubts about that? You guys that you saw the game have any doubts about that, or is only me that I was in the game? Sorry for my sarcasm, but if I say this kind of thing serious, they punish me. So I hope you understand that I am joking.
Okay, that was Ghana's coach Carlos Queiroz on the VAR. Unfortunately, we weren't able to take a look at the incident that happened, the penalty incident that happened in the box of England. I think Okas and Biosi is VAR working. They went for a coffee, yes, because why would you miss that? It's a clear incident that showed that Ghana deserved the penalty in the game. Another incident that took place was a red card decision. Jordan Pickford, goalkeeper of England, Okasan, the same Prince Edu, Okasan outside the box, which deserved a red card for England. But then I think it went against Ghana again. Osana born in them baby, and then the referee played on, yes, saying it was an offside. Right, penalty decision, no? And then the red card incident, no? Something small on that.
Yeah, any issue, no? Muntumo also a lack of professionalism also. Partinum so wabo professional football.
Yes.
So
Listen, young players, they are too nice.
Yeah, I suggest the staffs be like this, you know.
Rush to the referee.
Or they will rush to the referee.
Yeah.
But
VAR.
No way, but in anything, no, then any mindset in the game the year more shining.
Yeah.
Say if say BB happen or on one opponent on the side, on your side, no problem. We are going to defend our pool.
Yes.
And see, I concentrate more.
Our substitutes, no, Prince Edu. Wow. Obum, I think he caused some of these incidents. I think in the next game against Croatia, what do you think, Charlie? Prince Edu, should we give him a chance? I think he deserves a chance to play.
Prince Edu a good player, but your players coming from bench,
it's different.
It's different
from
than starting. Yeah. You can see Prince Edu. You starting your match, friendly matches, yes. But with Chuba, you can see the press and energy. And Prince Edu, although work want to finish it more.
Because chance here for penalties, he could have just taken it one time. One time. It was a one-on-one situation with the goalkeeper.
Yeah.
One time. No.
Or the union finishing no more. Because Prince Edu confidence and strength to hold the ball.
Yeah.
And like I think the yenya finishing the kawa Prince Edu or boy and more than cause no strength and you can see the ball open like an African.
Yeah.
Open African
football. Determined. Strength. I think it's a very straight comparison between Prince Edu and Jordan.
Yeah.
Jordan ball no boy and Prince Edu game no but also a energy was a big game was totally different. Like it's like black and white. Two different scenarios or two different style of plays. I think going for a Carlos Queiroz is supposed to work on that. I think I'm not saying he's our captain. I'm not saying that I have something against that. I'm not digging him out, but Jordan is not giving what we expect from what Ghanaians expect from him. Yes, because
and you can see different angles altogether. Strikers, your strikers, baby, as you can see, Hurricane, or drop her bar, or bear tackles, maybe or touch ball, but Ellen Halland, near them, on possess the ball from back uncle. But born to him, or more numbers.
Yes,
you see, and see, striking rule, no, beyond a how or bonism. Edu Prince Wayne is no. Born to be able to be a full.
Yeah, he run. He's a willing runner.
Yeah. Be able to be a on forward the ball now fan lie one for baby a cadon bond. But Jordan are you? So cut a butter her or they butter her. A buffin channel uncle. You can see and Jordan solo banded that you can see clearly there. Jordan kind of experience bi or although there
another incident I think before you see on your screen was before the start of the game, Tottenham player and English international Jet Spence avoiding Thomas Partey. I think before the draw was even made and before the tournament was about starting, we had issues that England players no one better would cheer Partey and all that, but we didn't think they would follow through. Or every other player I think shake Partey's hand except this guy. Just Spence. Mama, who papa be also boss open no them.
Ghana football player kade mama Partey worry no be wenchi no no mbobo bia. On your player bia. So how can be no wenchi na?
Yes.
Ana ye bakade na obe wenchi a Partey. And then the more respect white man.
Yes. I think Declan Rice.
Game no boy pretty much them handshake we no. Where decision be there. England forward decided they nka wonchia. That was the rumors. And see we puti cameraman no to some conduct be there. We no party side no of greeting no one chamber screens no do.
Oh okay.
And see say the show match in the live greetings no greeting and who party is woman da. Yeah, because one better what they start a game and we concentration for game not about we know. Yeah, and more respected that decision but we went greet to party no. I don't think there is something other Ghana we know. How came we
but it was very disrespectful. I think our player you are Jet Spence, nobody knows you.
Blacks no like blacks no one damn English countries.
Yes, the diaspora no.
I want to know where you're raw from the power. The white people na nkasa no one shada and you're raw. Blacks na one. Yeah, I want to know where you're raw from the. But
I think it was a contrast to one other player that hugged Partey. That was his former Arsenal teammate. That was Declan Rice. But Jet Spence, I wouldn't waste time on somebody like Jet Spence.
No.
Player,
you can see the under them poor ambushi.
I think we need him cry. I said the 60th minute we need him. Cry. Still on the Ghana game, I think changes be so Fatal Isaaku also coming in. Yes, perform very very.
You can see that squad, you know, with revenge bar. You can see the performance, and you can see the energy. Whatever Fatal Isaaku, Obama, you can see. Around the length of the pitch. And I think the Anthony Makacho, the coach, you know, coaching here very tactical.
Yeah, he's very good. Yeah.
He's very tactical. Because time was here the changes, you know. And then the Mancasa personally, no Makada Woma, Thomas Asante, on
yeah.
But many reason why and
Inaki came in.
And this time, you know, there's kind of respect to be a coach, you know, so I respect his decisions. Because the kind of selections towards Ghana games, you know, I think the more baby or the Yashe, he's very experienced coach. So
I think I have so much respect for Declan Rice, you know, who former teammate, you know, someone you played against, yes, Hagen, Thomas Partey, on here as our Jet Spence na a black player, no, you have to embrace because it's innocent until charged, you know. He's innocent until he's charged as guilty. So who are you to judge somebody? And that was a very good gesture by Declan Rice, hugging Thomas Partey, you know, former teammates, and then even opponents on the day, Ghana versus England. Anything on still the match? You think we need to talk about anything we have missed?
Black Stars game, you know. I think the tactics na the ball ended the game, you know. If say you maintain the tactics na.
Yes, the Croatia game na.
Yes, the Croatia.
I think any of them Sibo they are going to the Croatia game to win. What our top group, no?
Yeah.
What our top group, no?
Because I think they say yes, the second group no more.
Opponents are able to move.
The first.
Yeah.
So, obeying the KAKRABA. Performance Ghana put here, the teamwork, the discipline. Ghana was born under the game. I think that's what you see. down a discipline or teamwork, and I think the opportunity face it in the tournament. Opportunity face will be although they Ghana has a penalty shootout, but
Xtra, with the way we are defensive, we should hope for something more.
The way defense do I think they will go far.
Yeah, Jerome Opoku and Jonas Ajete.
If they will maintain this kind of performance now, I think that they will go far. And shout out to Benjamin Asari too.
Yes,
under the great performance.
Benjamin Asari is Messi.
Yeah, and also on your Madrid point your bad into why very detailed.
Open Madrid
also on your Madrid point your bad into why very detailed.
Go to Courtois. Hey, Benjamin Asari.
But I think the Benjamin Asari performance and Ghana spirit is so tarnishing. I think the love of all Ghana had more than any player on the pitch. For now, Benjamin Asari, I think that if we have gotten to a point of Benjamin Asari, even small ball put them foam.
Maybe a chick came the ball. I mean, let me feel the goal that baby. No watch the ball. No, I thought that was very
we've gotten
nice.
to a point. Asari said, "What will ball and put my not watch now?" Then you can see the noise. SM. You can see the love.
Yeah.
Like watch a small ball we are on shame for watching now.
Baby, I think during the last 10 minutes of the game, in that pressure there and do. Konabi. With him one punch, I was like, wow, Benjamin Asari.
No confidence level no was so far.
Yeah, very, very, very.
And Ghana, England, Ghana drawing this game. I think the last week, baby, the World Cup, Ghana is full of surprises.
Yeah.
And England, 2011, sorry. Yeah, in one more friendly game.
Yeah.
And the score was
draw
1-1. And if say a record to start, this is our third time playing against England. And I think the first one was 2008 or something. And I think Ghana scored England 2-1. So if Senegal starter, like I can say that somehow you're ahead of England in football.
I think
if so a starter.
Yes. Another stat I should put there is Ghana are one of the teams that haven't lost a game. Plus, Ghana are also a team that haven't conceded a game in this World Cup.
A goal. Yeah.
Yes. A goal in this World Cup. Wow. Ghana. Yes. The Ghana with 4 points. England with 4 points. Panama has 0 and Croatia after their game have 3 points. Yes. In the games, we'll start off with, I think, because these are the last round of group games, the last round of group games, so we'll take some of the matches we'll be playing simultaneously. Yes, when I say simultaneously, or one time that would be Bosnia and Herzegovina versus Qatar, and then Switzerland versus Canada. Yes, those are the games that will be going on. Right, matches now around at 7 p.m. I'm trying to look for the group that they are in. Yes, I think I have it here. It's Group B. That is Switzerland and Canada, Bosnia, Herzegovina, and Qatar. Yes, Group B. So by the close of today, crackers 9 p.m. we would know the standings of Group B. Yes, Bosnia and Herzegovina versus Qatar. Anything on that game?
Yeah, I think the Canada. Qatar from Ozobo, World Cup.
I think Ojoy first game. And
second game.
Olusi. Second game Olusi. I think Canada beating Qatar by I know what was 6 goals to 0 or something.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think
who are we expecting? Any our predictions for this game?
Okay, so predictions, Bosnia will here win. Na Qatar will here win. And their strength and also. Okay, this game, I'll go draw.
For Bosnia and Qatar?
Draw.
Okay. And then Switzerland, Canada?
Oh, I'll go for Canada.
Wow. Switzerland, Canada, echo for.
I'll go for Canada.
Wow. I think this game is going to determine who tops the group in Group B. Yes, Group B. It will determine those who top the group in Group B. The next game, the next couple of games that will go on is also at 10 p.m. That's Morocco versus Haiti. Hey. Morocco versus Haiti, dear.
Oh,
Morocco. Then what pile goals?
Or the Morocco win the game.
Yeah, they are
so far 3 points.
No, Morocco has 4 points. When Brazil ball draw.
Okay.
And now what share? Yeah.
Yeah. So Morocco, we are straight win for Morocco.
Into one hour go to bet, 1 hour per bet. No, I think this is the most straightforward game ever. This is going to be easy. Morocco will win against Haiti. Another game in that group is Scotland versus Brazil.
Yeah.
So it's a very
But Brazil to win this game.
Brazil to win the game.
Yeah. Typical example of Brazil or Black Stars. How a coach or influence a team. You can see the Vinicius Junior proud to Carlo Ancelotti labor. You know. No be complaining the all national team performance will look, but you can see Vinicius under Carlo Ancelotti. You can see the performance. So far, our 2 goals in the league, FIFA World Cup, or 2 goals and I think 2 assists also. Yeah, you can see the
and 2 man of the match performances. Yeah. Another game that will be going on, another group. So Morocco, Haiti, Brazil, Scotland is from Group C. Yes, Group C. That's Group C. We would find out who are those who will be topping the group and then who would be at the bottom. We already know that Haiti would be last because in there's a Morocco special one. And so, yeah. And another couple of games would be South Africa versus South Korea. South for me now. Yes, South Africa, South Korea. That will be coming on 1 a.m. in Xtra and Machi. Yes, South Africa, another country we don't like as Ghanaians. Yeah, pay on awesome. Once why one whipping boys will be all the brown group. Yes, and then Czech Republic and then Mexico. Mexico already through to the round of 32, meeting Czech Republic. You know, this is just to seal their fate as table toppers in the group. South Africa, South Korea, that is Group A. Do we want to say something small about them?
Oh, that means more South Korea from the beginning of the tournament. More South Korea, and even on your issue a while between us and South Africa, crying, we did the game South Africa against South Korea.
The gulf in quality between the both teams is too much. I think we don't expect.
And South Korea so we're here win.
Yes, we're here win.
We're here win. And to qualify. And see, even beef and danchan and Morocco doing and danchan South Africa. I don't think they Obotum will compete with
South Korea. Another game in that group, Group A, is Czech Republic and then Mexico. Mexico are already through to the round of 32, and so it's just a foregone conclusion there in the match. Now I'm sure they will bench players, one star players, and then they will play the French players to just get a test of the competition. What should we expect in that game?
I expect a good game. I think Mexico will win.
Mexico, but Czech Republic.
I think the Czech Republic, this World Cup now, because the Czech
disappointing.
Czech Republic will disappoint and I think the Anya yet to me yakade ya qualify we but Abrofuno one journey demo.
Yeah,
one journey them.
But then I feel like if I won't bought one strong 11, I think we'll rest the players for the next round of games now in the round of 32.
Gabby, when it's come to World Cup, Abrofuno watching more of records than the player Obipra. You know, or BB record be maybe or your record be like 2026 World Cup or winning is the only country to win all of his group stages game. Bring or pedam record than my hand ya journey there ya qualify you ended that ya board jump Ghana baby said the Croatia game mama yambo because ya qualify ya round of
yes even as a third place team say you lose the crowd your 4 points we got is a guaranteed spot as the one of the best third place teams.
Yeah.
Yes, Ghana are mathematically through. Yes, but then still, you can't say never. You need to, if you want to meet or avoid the big boys, you need to top the group. I think our time is almost up. We've already given the predictions for the games. We would like to give a big thanks to our sponsors, National Petroleum Authority, the Taste Catering Services, Diesel Gift Shop, Nesto Ventures, Immense Hardware and Finishes, Patmo Print. We want to give a big shout out to all our sponsors. I want to give a big shout out to also the team behind us. Yes, Andy AKORLEY, aka Tyrone. We have Ben in the MCR. Andy is on the camera. Eric is also producing besides our MCR chairman, who is Ben. Ben also, I want to give a big shout out to Ben because that guy works so tirelessly to help bring us on your screens. Yes, we want to give a big shout out to also our CEO, Mrs. Gifty Yomi. Big shout out to AJ, Delphi, and then Afiba, who would be here tomorrow morning on the Coastal Morning Mix. This has been Coastal Football Extra. My name is Gabby. I've been here with Bright, doing this with Bright. We'll see you probably tomorrow. Thank you for watching.